Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Twitter picker. First, understand that this tool simplifies selecting a winner for your social media contests. It helps maintain transparency and fairness, which is crucial for building trust with your audience. We'll cover everything from setting up your contest to announcing the lucky individual. Before using any picker, you need to prepare your contest. Clearly outline the rules, including how people can enter, like requiring a retweet or a follow. Make sure your prize is appealing and set a clear deadline. This preparation ensures a smooth process when it's time to pick a winner. Now, let's operate the picker tool. Simply copy the URL of your contest tweet and paste it into the designated field on the picker website. You can then apply filters, for example, to only include users who retweeted and followed. Finally, click the Pick a Winner button to generate your random selection. Once a winner is selected, it's time to announce them. Double-check that the chosen individual fulfilled all your contest rules. Then, make a public announcement on your Twitter account, tagging the winner. Finally, reach out to them directly to coordinate the delivery of their prize. Congratulations to your winner.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.